The sprawling 45,000 square foot plot on the outskirts of Ahmedabad offered a unique canvas for a home. The owner, living with his father and expecting occasional visits from his daughter, envisioned a haven of openness and connection with nature. This vision steered the architects towards a design philosophy that moved away from conventional closed spaces and instead embraced the concept of courtyards and semi-open verandahs. The heart of the house throbbed around a central courtyard, a modern interpretation of the traditional haveli courtyards Ahmedabad is known for. This central space, however, had a contemporary twist. Peripheral courtyards surrounded it, creating a sense of extroversion, blurring the lines between the indoors and the lush gardens outside. Each of these courtyards had its own purpose: an entry court to greet visitors, a dining area court for alfresco meals, a shower court, and a pool court for refreshing dips. The ground floor revolved around the central courtyard. The study, kitchen, dining area, living area, the owner's and guest bedrooms, and the father's bedroom all found their place here. As you climbed the stairs, a sense of airiness took over. The upper floor housed the entertainment area, perfect for gatherings, and the owner's daughter's room. Extending from the entertainment area were sit-out spaces on the upper terraces, creating a seamless flow between indoor fun and outdoor relaxation. The design ensured that the north garden wasn't overwhelmed by the structure. The upper floor was visually lighter, creating a receding effect. Climate control was cleverly addressed. The central and pool courts boasted operable roofs, allowing for an open-air experience when desired and a cozy retreat when needed. The peripheral courts, on the other hand, remained open to the sky, their lush greenery providing a cooling effect. Stepping inside, one was greeted by a warm and inviting ambience. The material palette was a study in contrasts. Roughened black Marquina marble flooring in most areas grounded the space, while lava stone in the central court offered a textural counterpoint. Reclaimed wood featured extensively, lending a sense of warmth and a touch of mystique. The walls were a captivating play of textures: rough wood, patterned concrete, lime coat, and wood paneling, each adding its own unique story. The furniture echoed this theme, a tasteful blend of Western contemporary pieces and specially designed Indian contemporary furniture, creating a living space that was both modern and embraced its heritage. That's it for our tour of this incredible courtyard house. I hope it inspired you with its unique blend of open living and traditional elements. If you'd love to see more architectural marvels like this, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment letting me know what kind of homes you're curious about. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.